Hello, welcome back to macOS Genius on the YouTube channel. So we're going to go through filebot and renaming convention for music. And I wanted to see if this works out. This is the first time I'm trying it out, so I've already expanded my music. I don't really have too much music. It's whatever music came with some shows or whatever I have. So we'll do filebot. And we're not gonna do Depeche Mode. We'll do here. We'll do this one. Uh, Grappler Baki, good anime cartoon. So let's see. Let's go ahead there. So now you want to go and select on fetch data. You want to do acoustic ID. I haven't heard of acoustic ID. It probably works. Probably doesn't. I don't know. We'll see. No, it doesn't seem like it worked. So maybe that's not just for that specific soundtrack or collection. So I do know ID3 tags, so let's try that. Let's see if this fails. Oh, wow, it actually went through. So basically, put up the name, the original soundtrack in the front with the Grappler Baki, and then the Grappler Baki again. Oh, okay, so it's the soundtrack and then the disc of Grappler Baki, and then the name of the files. Now, these two did not come up, or these four actually did not come up. So I wonder if there's even songs for those. But let's see, that's, what was the number is that? That's number 11 and 12. 11 and 12 is here, so it didn't pick it up. So 4 didn't pick it up. So, but it did pick up the rest, so I'm just going to go ahead and change it now, and then we're going to hit rename. And there you go. It changed all of them here. But we'll still have to figure out these four. So either something I have to look up individually on the web and so forth, or I would have to run it again through this fetch data. But it only gave me these two. I'm going to have to look into to see if we can load additional databases besides these. All right, well, hopefully that helps you guys, and you can be able to do your music naming convention, clean it up, make it look great, and it looks like it works. All right, well, thanks for visiting. Feel free to subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. Have a great day.